Hey, good morning. Welcome to Yes Automotive, where your safety is our top priority, our top concern. Here, every time a vehicle comes into our shop or our bay, we're going to do a comprehensive check on this vehicle just to make sure that the vehicle is in safe condition. One of the first things that my technician is going to always do, we're going to always check over the lights on the vehicle in the front. We're going to always check over the lights in the back of the vehicle just to make sure that the proper lighting is working on the vehicle. Next thing we're going to do after we check the lights on the vehicle, my technician is going to do a complimentary under hood inspection of the vehicle. Here we're going to check your battery terminals to make sure they're not loose. We're going to check your fluids to see if there's anything leaking from the vehicle. We're going to also check over your drive belt. We're just going to do a general overall check, visual inspection of under hood to make sure the vehicle is in proper working order and we don't see anything that needs to be addressed immediately. The next thing we're going to do with the vehicle, we're going to do a complimentary mid-rise inspection where we actually get the vehicle up to about chin level high. And my technician from here, we're going to check over your brakes. We're going to take a little peek into your brakes. We're going to look at the struts. We're actually going to shake this wheel down, shake this suspension to see if we have any loose components going on there into your suspension. So as he moves it from side to side, we're seeing if there's any movement, top and bottom, see if that bearing is any movement. He's actually going to spin this wheel, see if we hear anything. So here, and that's the next thing we're going to do, we're going to do a full rise inspection where we actually go under the vehicle and we're going to check, see if we got anything leaky. We're going to check CD axles, make sure those boots are still intact right there. Check your surfacing drive belt. Check over your cooling system to make sure we don't have any leaks going on in this vehicle. We check the boots on all of your bushings. Check your brake lines, make sure they don't have anything leaking from them. We also go back and check your hangers on your exhaust to make sure everything is nice and tight on there. We also go back here to the rear end of your suspension. Well, we're going to look over your shocks on both sides, left and right. Same thing here, check over all your bushings and look for anything that possibly could be a safety concern.
At Yes Automotive, we're committed to keeping your car well maintained and safe on the road. Honesty, integrity, and full transparency are the foundations of our business, so you can trust us to give you the best service possible.